What is up, everybody? How's it going? All right, so cool. We got the tiki-takis up over there, so that's good. That's good. All right, it is the weekend. Wait. It's still silent over there for you? Oh, okay. That's your issue, Lizard King. I was like, I got levels pushing out. I'm like, don't tell me there's another problem going on, because it says there's levels. All right. So we got my little Raspberry Pi here. Unfortunately, as we know, Twitter API is pretty much going bye-bye because they decided to shut themselves out. So I'm shifting all my work over to Mastodon that I was going to be tinkering and learning all this with. So, yeah, so we have YentaPi over here, even though the case has the Twitter logo on it. I don't know if y'all can see that on there. My freaking auto zoom does not like zooming when I want it to. But yeah, you can see it's a little bit rough, but I kind of tried to be a little bit fancy with the purple case, making it purple just, you know, for the Twitchies. But anyway, so let's connect in. You ever work with any Odroid devices? Yes, I have an XU4 and an HC2. So let's get some proper vibes in here. Let's get some music going. What we got? Bobbing some stuff earlier. Let's see. Listen now. Saw that they had something going for me. Here we go. Let's get Apple Music up here with a nice little mix. Oh yeah, I need to connect the Tickfinity. Connect to TikTok Live. All right. Now I should be able to see my TikTok messages properly through my OBS. We'll check that out in a sec, because I want to ditch all of TikTok's native stuff. That's been an issue for me, and apparently for a lot of people. I've got an HC4. I haven't even booted up the XU4 yet. So yeah, I got that a while ago. It's a nice little device, that Samsung Exynos Core. Which password was it? Hey. Thank you for that tier 3 sub, Darko. ADHD Young. Alright, so let's see. We're now in YentaPi. Where was I yesterday? So we had this Mastodon Twitter sync, but we also had the Twitch Discord bot, which, if I remember, was... How did I run that before? No. Was it node? Yep, okay, that was it. Okay. So now what I need to do is figure out how are we going to make that into a systemd service. So that's a good thing. Let me log into ChatGPT. Come on. Bro's image is crisp. I took a lot of, I put a lot of effort into this. Let me see. Let me clear all my conversations. Alright, let's see. Give us a nice little clear. How can I make a systemd process? Oh, service. From a, Node.js program. About to start a 45-hour print. Good luck on that. Do I use Notion? I've used it, but I don't use it personally. Okay, this is looking like it's a proper systemd service. Okay. Alright, so, yeah, okay, nothing fancy. That's what I thought. Alright, so, what I want to do is, we've got the Twitch Discord bot there. Where am I going to put that? Okay. Sudo nano, etc. systemd system. Yeah, okay. Yep, that's what I thought. So this is going to be Discord bot dot service. Just realized my extruder is operating in reverse. What do you mean it's operating in reverse? Quick question. Thoughts on Skull Candy? They're okay, but you can really still do better. They're kind of in the same boat of gone downhill. Oh, damn it. What the fuck am I doing? Alright, so let's just call this our Twitch Discord. Notification bot. And then we are going to... Do you know about switching from cybersecurity into AI? I mean, so AI is just going to be part of it, unless you're talking about programming for it. Then, how do I want to... I'm trying to think of how I want to launch it, because I normally put things in opt. Yeah, I'm going to put it in opt. Okay. It retracts when it should extrude and vice versa. I think you flipped your numbers there, bro. Alright, so let's see. Do I want to run this as the user level? Yeah, let's run it at the user level. It's not going to be a big deal. Let's see. Oh, it's capital, that's why. Damn it, what's the... Trying to remember, move the entire directory. I am having a brain fart. How do I move entire directory? How did I freaking forget that? How did I freaking forget I had tea over here? I really need to compile my own Marlin at some point. I compiled my own Prusa firmware just so I could make the center relative to the center screw. Hey Mags, what's up? We're doing okay. We're just tinkering over here while I have a brain fart and trying to get some tea to wake me the hell up. I'd like to probe more than 9 points for my bed leveling. You're only doing a 3x3? I'm doing a 7x7. I have 49? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Yeah, 49. Verify I'm human. Are you really kidding me? Thank you, ChatGPT, for giving me these issues. I've been spoiled by GUI for so long that I don't have to do this all the time. Move source dest. Okay, move directory. Wait, does move cover the folder too? Oh, god damn it. I thought... I'm getting old. Yeah, F me. Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, so... CD, Twitch, and then we got our present working directory. Oop. Double // don't want that. Did you hear about the ChatGPT API coming out soon? Yes. And I would gladly pay for that, but you ain't gonna catch me dead paying for the Twitter API at what they're charging. They moved that decimal place 2 places, I might consider it. I will pay... I ain't paying $150 for no API. I give them $350. Because I know the Loch Ness Monster known as Elon Musk is just trying to go after my money. Wait a minute, is this Afro Man? The fuck yeah it is! Ha! Haven't heard this one before. Add to playlist. Twitter apparently is going to start charging $150 for 500 API requests per month. That is what several outlets have been showing and such, and what things have been, like, kind of coming out saying, and I'm like, no. Yeah, I'm not kidding. I could be wrong, but so far that's where the information is saying. That's why I'm saying, move that price over 2 decimal places to the right. Oh, 1 second. I gotta hide something for a sec. Okay. I learned to stop listening to leaked details 9/10. They tend to be bull. OpenAI's API aren't even that expensive, yeah. But they did announce that they're going to be killing the entire thing. Alright, so we need to get this present working directory over here. And this should be able to monitor... what did I call this? Twitch Discord bot service. Sudo system control. Start. God damn it. You're thinking, aren't you, Pi? Yeah, you are. There you go. OpenAI is killing what? Oh, I don't know what. I went on a tangent there. Okay, so what's the issue? Okay, that failed. Just gonna try something. Let's see, systemd service for Node.js. Let's read the blogs. Okay, so we got Node.js, yada yada yada. Okay, we got an app. Okay, that seems right. Let's double check then. Okay, the exec start. Okay. Documentation after. I have a feeling I'm gonna need that. And exec start. User bin node. Let's see. User bin. Okay, so that's in there. Restart. Maybe we should do on failure rather than always. That makes more sense. I have a feeling that may have done more to it than anything. And then within a minute, we should get another ping in the Discord server from Yentapai. Yup. Bing! So as we can see, my systemd service is working. So that's the first task on the to-do. So if I remember... Okay, so the systemd, this section over here is telling it that it's going to start after the network, my understanding. Environment is node port 3001. All right, let's see. Go ahead. Variables are... What's less obvious is the part that says... Okay, this tells that we're going to start our app when the machine boots up. It should wait after the main networking functionality is there. Cool. What type of scams are we running today? Well, subject is tech support. Did it post something new? Oh no, it edited the post to actually say how many viewers are in. Interesting. All right, we're gonna have to play with that. Exec on failure. The restart tells under what conditions the on failure value is most likely what you will want. Blah blah blah. So straightforward there. If you want to restart no matter what, change the value from on failure to always. Okay, so I don't want an always because this seems to be running consistently. Blah, 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 blah. System control, enable. Yeah, so it's, editing the post. Because I'm noticing it kind of flicker. So, let's, wait, I don't need sudo. Let's see, config. Did I back it up? I gotta move this to another screen, because if I remember, there are API. Yep, there are API keys in there. Ha! We are just tinkering to get my little Raspberry Pi set up to do the alerts and stuff, so I don't have to pay for stream cord and a few other things, and then we're gonna learn a bit about the Mastodon API. Okay, yeah, so it's updating every minute and editing that. Interesting. So it's capturing the message for that, and that everyone can eat, getting money in the daytime, even count it when I sleep. Wake up to getting bread, bitch, I do this for the streets. ADHD. Hey, thank you for that Prime sub there, Quick Hacker. Oh, I didn't even see, Mags. You followed me there. Sorry about that. Hey, Drake, what's going on? We're just doing a little bit of tinkering. I was not feeling that song. Vito! We ain't talking about depression right now in a song. Okay. So, is this gonna start the file at boot is my question. Yeah, I think it does. I'm more used to init scripts, so I'm still, like, having to tinker with systemd. Okay, so my issue was... what's the cron wizard? Should I do it every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes? Yeah, it's the Pikachu top. It felt appropriate. We've got Detective Pikachu with the Pikachu hat, with the Pikachu over here, and then, for boredom's sake, Pikachu fidget spinners that I 3D printed. Oh, and I got my next 3D prints, which eventually I'm going to be setting up in the studio here. I've got some controller mounts for my Steam controller, as well as my Xbox 360 wired controller. But I have 3 controller mounts because I also have an Xbox One controller upstairs with my Xbox One. So I might be bringing that down because I haven't turned that Xbox One in a while. And eventually I want to do some console gaming and stuff down there. Any advice on what kind of 3D printer a newbie should get? Okay, so the honest truth is it more comes down to your budget. The Ender 3s aren't too bad. I think there's like an Ender 3 Neo, but the issue is you have to remember if you buy an Ender, it's one of those you get what you pay for. I'm not saying they're a bad printer. I'm just saying they are great for their price, but they're in the $200 to $300 range. You will need to give them more TLC than, say, like a Prusa where you build it and aside from minor issues, it's just going to go and go and go and go and be a freaking workhorse to the point, like, you need to understand how much of a reliable workhorse the Prusa is. There's a warehouse of Prusa 3D printers, 3D printing parts for Prusa 3D printers to be sold and shipped. So when you buy your Prusa 3D printer, you're getting 3D printed parts that they have from their factory that are on stock Prusas. So, yeah, you need to mod the Enders, all that. Jack's tech support is probably one of the best people to speak inside of the Discord because he knows more about the other 3D printers, whereas I know more about Prusa and like dental resin 3D printers, and like very, very, very few of you are going to come to me and say, hey, I got this $3,000 FDA approved 3D resin printer. Yeah, it does take a little research in order to tweak to get best results, but printed well out of box. Yeah, I mean, but the thing is, let me put it this way. With my Prusa, I can literally take my Prusa, put it in an enclosure stock, 3D print ASA material to reprint my extruder, rebuild the extruder in ASA, and then I can 3D print all day long in ASA, potentially, as long as I move the power supply out for longevity, because that thing will die from the heat. But you got my point. I know printers go beep boop, that's it. Most of the time I just say big words, makes me sound smart. No, you actually do troubleshoot a lot of the stuff better than I, because I don't know a lot of the specifics with FDM printers. Okay, so I'm going to update the script to do every 5 minutes instead, because right now it looks like it's editing my post every minute, and that seems like a bit of a bit much. Doesn't need to do that. Okay, so we made a systemd service for that. So now let's make a new, this is a good question. Let's go to GitHub. I should be logged in already. Cool. Is there a Twitch Mastodon? Wait. I saw something, Twitch to Mastodon. That's older. Twitch streamers on Mastodon. That's different. Okay. But let's see if we can get... I'm gonna have to dive into that. But let's see. Okay. Okay. So what's this one doing? But this one's like 4 years old. And I don't think anyone's really done much with it, so I'm gonna have to look at that later. You know what's sad? You probably won't even see the GitHub repositories I star anymore. What's up, Darn Social? Also depends on application. If you're doing miniature sculptures, resin is the way to go too. Absolutely. Also gave an Anycubic Photo M3. Also printing D&D minis. I have a Creality Howlet Sky still in the closet. I gotta set up. I'll get around to it eventually. I also have a Prusa Mark 3S Plus still in the box. What I think I'm gonna do with that one though is I'm gonna wait till I get the MMU. And then I'm going to have a multi-material printer for that. So I'm going to have two high-temp printers, or higher temp. Not high temp, because it's not like 450 degrees, change the thermistor. I don't really have any need for peak and everything. But, Is my GitHub on my bio website? I gotta add my GitHub because I don't really do much on it, so I didn't really add it, but it's just the same username. I try to make things consistent. Okay, I'm gonna have to take a look at that later. But let's see if we can make a script to watch for my Twitch. For when it goes live on the channel Chief Geek 3D. And post it to my Mastodon with random predefined messages, and also monitor for when the stream ends to give another set of random messages. Also create a systemd process service file for it to be automated at system start and in case it fails. That's fine. Is OpenAI having issues today? Yeah, I do want to pay for the OpenAI issue just so I can not have as many issues. Yeah, and I also want to see if I can make this work for multiple users too, because the goal is that this is also going to be used for the community, so that if we have some content creators, you know, go live, post content, things like that, we all get to enjoy it. Because the problem is, like, Fresh Talk, StreamCord, and a few other things, they charge monthly for it. And, well, I'm a bit of a broke bitch in that regard. No, I'm just kidding. I'd rather use my Raspberry Pi. I'd just rather use my Raspberry Pi. Plus, it makes more sense. OpenAI has been having many crashes to many users. Yeah, absolutely. What's up, Draco Mendo over on TikTok? How's it going? So far, the live streaming that I've done through TikTok and Twitch has been going well using the fuck, what is this ATEM plugin? I'm a broke bitch. She says, wow, there is a 3D printer casually printing away. Hey, there's not one 3D printer casually printing away. There's two. The other one just doesn't have the webcam plugged in right now. Okay, cool. I think it missed something. Yeah, it crashed at the end and didn't finish the instructions. Only two printers, please. I don't really need more printers than what I got, although I probably will be opening the Etsy store again, because while I'm on my job search, I need to make a few extra dollars just to, you know, be able to buy groceries. Because, you know, eating's fun. Okay, so it's doing the thing again. I have a feeling it cut off the instructions. Did you see that TikTok Studio might be OBS code used outside of license? No! TikTok and TikTok being a social media company doing something unethical? This is my surprised face. You have a home lab and looking to build one sometime in the future. I work in networking. Yeah, I do. Go back and see some of my videos. You'll see my home lab. If you go to my Mastodon, there's a pinned post with a picture of my network rack that I've built over the several years. See, it crashed again, I think. It's been crashing quite a bit. But yeah, and this is part of my home lab. This Raspberry Pi here is running over PoE. So, the switch is in my rack is giving the power to it. This is just Ethernet that's been wired by my desk. I'm building another sucker now. Yeah. 3D printing is fun, but boy, can it be a pain in the ass and time consuming. I do need to get into AutoCAD Fusion 360 though. I do want to get into that. I don't know if I'm going to be like into the full-time 3D print farming thing, but I like my couple of printers. I know I would definitely need always at least more than one 3D printer, because there is a case where I'm like, I need to have these two different things go at the same time. Hey, Chief, how many pies do you have? Give me a sec. I'm mentally counting because they're all over the place. Okay, there's one over here. This is one of my Pi 4s, and I think there's 3 more Pi 4s over there. There's... let me see, so that's what, 4? We got 5, there's a PIVX node in there, that's the Pi 4s. Then for the Pi 3B pluses, there's 3. Then for the Pi zeros, I got 2. They really are. Oh, yeah. I forgot there's another Pi 3B plus in the Google Voice box. So there's 4 3B pluses, and then there's 5 Pi 4s. One of them is a 4 gig one. Okay, yeah, it's been crashing. Yeah, it's been crashing in the middle of it. That is annoying as shit. Let's see if I can get a new conversation that it won't be an issue. For the aforementioned script that is created. We can name the script Twitch and Toot. Do you use Octopi for your printer management? Yes, I do. And eventually I want to set up the Octo Farm, which is another service that you can use to actually manage all your 3D printers at once. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's a TikTok chat. Hi, ADHD. I'll check it out. Was toying with the idea to build a custom firewall rack mount chassis, mini iTex, quad SFPs for scalability to run on pfSense. The honest truth is, you can build your own, but it only really makes sense if the parts really save you a lot of money, because I would look at the pfSense hardware, and you can get a pfSense official firewall for not much more or about the same price of, you know, buying custom hardware. Firewalla, no. I do not like that thing. I do not like that they, like, offered ARP poisoning as an option. That just does not sit well with me, and it rubbed me the wrong way. Oh, by the way, on ChatGPT, you just have to type continue. Please check out the video I tagged you in. I'll see if I'm there, but I get tagged in a bunch of videos, so it's kind of hard to know. I'll try. If I can remember. ADHD's a bitch. All right. So. What are the dependencies to install this on Debian? Okay, so it looks like we just need $600 for the NG 4100, and that's cheaper than my build, LOL. Yeah, and then you get the official pfSense license, which gets you a lot of stuff. Now, when I built my firewall 5 years ago, there was actually like a $700 savings or so from getting my own Supermicro super server versus buying theirs. Now that margin is pretty much gone. Yeah, I still don't like that they offered it as an option at all. Hey, Chief, I got a router downstairs. Would it hurt if I move it upstairs and put it under my bed? I mean, it'll kill your signal because, you know, it's bouncing underneath the bed and all that, but, Alright, sudo pip3 install requests. Okay, so that's already been done. Let's make a new repo. Twitch and Toot. This is a service to be run locally or on a VPS to monitor your Twitch and post to your Mastodon when you have gone live. We'll just initialize it that way. And yeah, we'll just do it under v3. All right. Let me see. Add file. Create file. Well, I know what I'm doing tomorrow. That's going to be fun. What you going to be doing? Twitch and Toot.py. To Twitch and Toot. Your stream. Are we going to commit that? Yes, I know I could do this totally different, but we're here. All right, I'm just going to dump this in just to initialize it at least. All right. Edit the messages and channels as necessary. Y'all can go into my Git and make any changes that y'all want for it. There'd be a way to do it with IFTT and Mastodon. I'm not sure if it still works. It doesn't work that great. Things with if this then that always run with these massive delays, I notice. I want it to literally be, oh, he's live. Boop. Okay, so... all right, let's see. How is this working? Okay, so we got requests. Nice. All right. Make dir Twitch and toot. Nano Twitch and toot dot py. Yeah, toot. Netgear 1000 or something? Oh, you're helping each other on your little thing. Twitch client ID. Okay, cool. So it's got access tokens and all that stuff. Okay, cool. So there was one thing I needed to go. Let's read the instructions. The placeholder values for Twitch ID and max it. Okay. How do I grab the Twitch client ID? Oh yeah, I gotta go into my Twitch developer panel. Make sure y'all don't see what you don't need to see. Okay, we're at Yentapie. I feel like this is gonna need a... oh. What's up, hey, what's up, buddy? Just need a client secret. The client ID is, oh, because it's a read-only request. See, this is what I mean about learning, because, like, it's a lot easier to just ask it, do I need this? Do I need that? So hopefully that should be right. Okay. So here we are. We gotta change that. Hey! Thank you, X-Lizard the King, for donating the appropriate $4.20. Okay, so that's a read-only key. You don't get my secret, so can't do much with that anyway. All right. Except read a bunch of shit. All right, let's see. So now I need to get... How do I grab the Mastodon key for the Python script? Okay, so I actually do have to go into my Mastodon account. Boop. And... Okay, so I actually have to go into... There's a development page here where I can get all of this stuff. Okay, cool. Go to the settings page, click on development, your application section. Okay. So now let me put that information in. I have to hide that from y'all. All right, so double checking my script. Okay, so now if I remember... Oop. An error connected while checking the stream status. All right. Okay, it won't be a network issue. Hey, Chief, have you heard of ZBD? Zebedee? Oh, thanks, Stream Elements. Yeah, I set that up. Sorry, I got really hyper-focused for a sec. Do you like Notepad++ or another text editor? Notepad++ is great, but you can also use Sublime Text is what I use often. Hey, Psycho Squirrel, what's going on? Whose song is playing? That's a good question. It is Declaim and Mad Lib. Never heard of this before, but it is Fly. And add playlist. Mm-hmm. Okay. Can you add that logging to the initial script? Did it not add it? Or did it? VS Code is better than Notepad++. I haven't used VS Code really. Part of me just still doesn't want to, like, use Microsoft stuff as much as I can, as much as I advocate for their stuff. This is really cool how it just added the print statements to check it. And firmware set to define invert dir to false. That needs to be true. Are you kidding me? That was your issue, Lizard King? That's such a weird one. All right, so let's take this script then. And thought I was missing something. Okay. With logging from ChatGPT. So if y'all want to see, you can. Let me close all these tabs. Close without. I don't want to save because I don't need to save. All right. So that's what I usually use as Sublime. That's just my personal preference. So let's get this set up. Where do I want to store this? I'll store this on my NAS. Backups. Scripts. And Twitch and Toot. .py. The other nice thing I like is that once you do save it, you get your syntax lighting, just like a few other text editors. Hey, Fat Cube, what's going on? All right, I'm doing it the weekend. By an ender, you need to mod it. Yeah, it's true. What's crazy? This is the firmware provided by Creality. Yeah, there must have been some weird reason that they're just like, yeah, we're going to do everything in reverse. It's probably because they're like, hey, you know what'd be funny? This guy buys a 3D printer. It's his first 3D printer ever. He doesn't know what the fuck's going on. And we're just going to make him have to flip this one random thing because otherwise everything's going to go backwards. Why? It's going to be funny. Must be like the same guy that ended up giving you like the, if you ever look at like the Fig Newtons, the serving size, it says 2 cookies. Like who the fuck eats 2 cookies of Fig Newtons? It's that same guy. I'm gonna compile my own Marlin. I mean, you can do that. Okay, so let me see. Which parts of the script do I need to edit? Okay. I'll add that to the README for y'all. Yeah, some Truman Show shit for sure. Nope, just a firmware update. Okay. Linux is becoming more and more part of the MSC ecosystem, from PowerShell to Linux to SQL Server. Don't be afraid of Microsoft. Your simulation will be painless, lol. I'm going to be acquiring a server real soon that will become a hypervisor running KVM. Nice. Once I get VMs running, I'll turn my RPIs into thin clients. Yeah. I need to get a box to do some stuff, but I got to get a job first, you know, to be able to pay for the home labbing I want to properly do. Okay, so I need to find the client ID. Okay, so let me get that, and then we can find that. So the client ID needs to be here. Okay, let's get the client ID from Twitch. And the channel ID. What's the channel ID for Twitch? For clarification. Thank you for the follow. Boom Mike, thank you for the follow over on Twitch. So wait, what? Oh. Okay. Do I need to add a file? Hmm? Channel, alright. Twitch channel ID grabber. Not pie. Interesting. Okay. Your Twitch channel name, so I gotta... Or am I just... How you can get your channel ID in the request library. Okay. I'm just overthinking things, because I'm a moron. Alright, so let me save this on my desktop. Alright. Twitch channel grabber.py. I had gone to the gym and spoken to that same employee to get my replacement tag set up. Wait a second. Twitch ID is something for plugins and stuff. Oh. Don't you love it when the company doesn't let you do this thing with thing you own? Same. Lost my gym tag and got a replacement tag trying to use a Flipper Zero to clone a backup. And when I am trying to test the backup, a staff member asks what I'm doing. And when I try to explain that I'm copying the code, so if I lose my next tag, I won't have to panic as I will have a copy of my tag. You can't do that. The only person allowed to, only one tag per person. Like, I own this tag. I mean, what's wrong with it? It's still you. They don't want me doing something responsible by having a backup Twitch ID or something. Okay. Yeah, I gotta grab the Twitch ID for my little script that I'm doing. All right, so I can run that locally. Sudo apt install Python 3 pip3. Should have it installed on my machine. Yeah. Oh, I got it the wrong syntax, that's why. Okay, I already got Python 3. Okay, cool. So now I just got to, let's see, go to my mount, go to backups. Let's go into my scripts. I'd show you, but I'm not sure if I really should be showing certain stuff because of security, but Twitch channel grabber.py. Oh, OAuth token is missing. The channel ID. Oh, sorry. Whoop. Why the hell did it? Goddamn Stream Elements. Ooh, merch sounds like fun. I'm going to check this out. Yeah, I got some stuff coming, and then we'll be doing some new stuff soon. I'm looking at getting some plushies and other stuff done, too. Oh. Here's an example of how you can implement... Wait, what? On the blank plushies? Why does it keep holding that message back? Because you're not spelling thoughts with T-H-O. Okay, gotcha. Okay, we'll receive the result of either an access token or a failure message. So what is this doing? Channel ID. Find my Twitch channel ID. Let's see if there's an easier way. Alright. Interesting. Okay, we'll see if that worked. What are you printing right now? I am printing a toothpaste squeezer for my little nieces. Made one for their mom, too. And I have some Xbox controller mounts that are going to go up on the wall later. Now I got a bunch of anchors and screws, so... Alright, let's see. What all information did I need? Where was it that I said that needed this information? Okay, live messages. Okay, so we need... Okay, it's pulling the channel ID. So we need live messages. Or Raspberry Pi, Linux, gaming, gaming on Linux. I gotta fix the messages, hold on. Okay, so now we've got that. Alright, we just editing the messages that I need to do. But that might just be me just hearing things. Went back to the gym today. For some reason that beat was bothering me. Why is it giving me a lot of new stuff? Like, not even the right type of genre that I'm gonna like inside of hip-hop. I was hyper-focused in, I didn't even notice. Go back to my tried and true. Alright, I need my Mastodon API access token. Okay, offline messages, instance URL. All right. Oop. And let me just edit that for a second. Nano Twitch toot.py. All right, let's see. Python 3. OAuth token is missing. All right, line 64. So at least we know where it failed. Wait, no, that's not it. All right. Error with the script originally generated says wait, what? Channel name, access token. To stop the evil that is T. With the status of the. All right. Okay. Okay, did it change some things? Yeah, it changed it did some things. Alright, so we gonna need your Twitch API client ID. I've got that. Your access token. Okay, that's the Mastodon one. Replace with your instance URL. I've got that. What the hell? Are you kidding me? Okay, so where's channel name coming from? Where's this going then? Okay, here we go. I now have the motivation to set up something IT related. I'm going to start building a NAS out of spare parts while listening to stream. This is going to be fun. Nice. Okay, this script's different. Okay, so let's try this again. Who got the juice like me? Alright, alright. That's what I'm doing right now, so y'all can see. Alright, your Twitch API client ID. Alright, I gotta put that client ID in there. Alright, I gotta get my Mastodon access token. And then I gotta get my instance in there. Wasn't there more that I had to change? Oh! I wonder. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so I need to get access to the API. API URL Mastodon. Okay, crazy idea. Probably wouldn't be that useful, but I was just thinking about it. Completely fat, empty file system, but the files have tags, and those tags can be used to display the files in a structure, but since they're all in root, it'll be super easy to index. I don't know what you're talking about. There's a lot of different things he could probably do. Alright, where is the... Man, Scotts and cans. I gotta figure out, how do I get the, because I am brand new to all this stuff. Get API v1. Redirect URI. Use one line. OAuth OOB. Okay. So how do I do this then? How many micro SD cards do you own? Probably like half a dozen or so. Damn. What the hell am I doing wrong here? Need to figure out the API URL. Mastodon API base URL. Let me see. They have theirs open. It should. No. Okay. So then, I don't know why it's commenting it out like that then. Okay, base URL F. Twitch access token. Okay. Okay, so now let's try. Is it Twitch input? Okay, Python 3, Twitch input. Okay, end of file 67 is streaming. Here, let me, just because it's going to get the lines weird. All right, let's see. All right, it keeps giving me this error now. A different one. So different is good. Okay. Syntax error. That's fun. So you had an error in your own code and you don't know how to fix it. That's great. There's probably a loose bracket somewhere. Okay. Closed over there. Here, we'll try it this way then. I will just take their freaking clean script. That way there's nothing that can possibly be inferred. Alright, now we're going to go into mid-roll time. Hey. I'm even can it when I sleep. Wake up and getting bread. Bitch, I do this for the street. AAD. Thank you for the gifted sub, Lizard King. Appreciate that. Alright, so let's try dumping this file. Alright, let's copy that. Let's paste that. Let's get that. And then let's do that. And then, yep. Okay, that's interesting. That's new. No more mid-roll for the Lilium. Alright, come on. Come on. Do your thing. Do your thing. Ever thought about adding a little preview of what's printing for the printer view? Like a high opacity ISO view from the slicer? I mean, I could do that. But there's so many things I'm trying to do at once, it's kind of hard to focus and completion to anything. Everybody with ADHD feels that. All right, let's see. Move Twitch and Toot to Twitch and Toot. Dot high dot old. Nano Twitch and Toot dot high. Okay, now we got a log. Which it doesn't even run. Just forgot my spare DDR4. Yeah, it's not even running a log, so I may need some help from somebody to, you know, tell me what the hell's going on with this. Let me try this. I'm gonna feed it information. All right, let's see. Let's see. I need to feed it data. I really need the pro version. Mastodon API documentation. Let's get that. Using Mastodon, getting started with the API. Okay. Okay, we gotta feed it a bunch of data. This is gonna take some time. I have a feeling it's pulling from older information related to, their API. So we're gonna try feeding it a bunch of data now. All right, so now getting started. All right. Okay, we're gonna keep feeding it data. What am I printing? I am printing a little toothpaste squeezer for my nieces. All right, so let's keep feeding it more data. We're gonna feed it information from mastodon.py. All right, let's see. Guidelines and best practices. Damn it, I clicked something. This is the annoying part with ChatGPT is you have to get it to import a package that allows command input and just get it to run all commands with results that being echoed to a text. Okay. I have to play with it more, but right now I'm just going to try to feed it more relevant data. So it's going to be a pretty good expert on the Mastodon API. Yeah, I definitely need to get a all right, that's gonna be there. Okay, so... Oop. Is this gonna work? There we go. I just gotta split that one. All right, so we're gonna keep feeding you a bunch of information. I don't know how much of this information it's actually going to need, but hey. All right, now we need OAuth scopes. Mm-hmm. This is the boring part of AI working and everything. Just feeding all the information in. I don't think it even needed that. See, it's actually contextually getting to understand it. The table lists the granular OAuth scopes, and the scopes on the left read, okay. Okay, rate limits. So we're just going to feed it a bunch of the data for Mastodon right now. And then we will feed Twitch data to it. That's going alright, Warren Fudd. I'm just trying to feed ChatGPT a bunch of data to see if I can have it spit out a decent Mastodon notification for my Twitch. Alright, let's see. We're just feeding a bunch of data into the AI right now. Okay, so now we're just going to try ChatGPT setup over this next week. Yeah, it does a pretty good job, but I've been having a little bit of issue, but essentially you got to kind of feed it the data. Emails. I don't need emails API. I need the, excuse me, I need post. All right, so let's see. If we got the AI, entities, marker, poll, represents a status posted by an account. Oh, here we are. All right, let's hope this isn't too big. Cool. I just thought of something because Mastodon actually allows you to edit the tweet too. What would be cool is if I actually got this to edit the toot after my stream ends, so I don't have to make another post. That'd be interesting. All right, let's see. Apps, API methods. I'm just feeding it everything that I think could possibly be relevant. This will make sense in a sec. No, I got the, that. Alright, announcement. No, it's not what I need. Reports. No, I don't need reports. A lot of this I don't need. Extended description, custom emoji, conversation. No, I don't need a conversation because I'm not DMing anybody with this. Context. That might make sense. Okay. Now I need the Twitch API documentation. Okay, now we're feeding the Twitch stuff. Okay, so now we're working on... error body and stream. Oh, it got stuck. Okay, so now I gotta restart that. Twitch API, get started. So let's give it the Twitch API stuff so it understands what to do. All right, let's feed it about Twitch CLI. All right, we're getting it to feed in the Twitch API concepts. Okay, authentication. Okay. God, this is such the boring part of the whole freaking AI thing. Everybody's like, oh my god, you know, AI is gonna take our jobs. No, you're still gonna have a schmuck sitting here just putting all this shit in. Alright, let's see. Okay, cool. Alright, we gave it that. Oh. getting OAuth tokens. All right, we're gonna feed it how to get the tokens. All right, we need to give it the scope settings that we need to have it see. All right, we got pub sub. Let's see. Event sub. I don't know if I already imported this again before, but we will do it again. Handling webhook events. This is probably going to be too much for it on this next prompt. Yep. That was too much for it. All right, so what I'm going to do is probably cut it off right at all right, we'll just cut it in half. Come on, do your thing, ChatGPT. Handling WebSocket events. Cool. Okay, and then pub sub. Topic for updates when a user cheers in channel. Okay. Okay. Make a script for Mastodon for make a script to monitor for Twitch for when Chief Geek 3D goes live on Twitch. Probably get the right email. Let's see. It'd be https twitch.tv Chief Geek 3D and post it to Mastodon with a random set of messages. Wait. And include information so I can test and debug, as well as output to a log. All right, let's see. What's it gonna do now? Okay, bearer access token. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's still doing the thing. It crashed. I really need to get the professional version of ChatGPT. Come on. Do your thing. Go faster. I'm really curious now. Mastodon to Twitch. Poster. Automatically post to Mastodon? Wish they'd have more integrations into that. Wait, what? Did I accidentally stumble across one? Okay, that's still doing its thing. Oh, where's the GitHub for this? Oh. Oh, he doesn't have the code open source. That's a bummer. That'd have been nice. Alright, continue. The hell? Oh, it messed up. Oh, it's really... Oh, god damn it. It does not know how to process that. Wait, this is not... Yeah, well... Luckily, it doesn't post a VOD. Alright, let's see. Failed to post to Mastodon. Random choice of messages. Time to sleep. Database URL. Okay, cool. Thought I'd let you know, as I didn't know if you had that thing in place. Yeah, I don't put any of the music to VOD except for my background music. Hmm. Okay, so let's see how this is gonna fare. How do I get the client ID? Navigate to the dashboard, developer link. Okay. So this is back to the dash thing. Oh. Okay. So now I need the client ID. Okay, this is looking a little bit better for... Okay, yeah, they may have been working off of some old documentation for Mastodon and such. I'd show you, but that would show my keys. https social.chiefgeek3d.com. Okay, client secret access token. Replace the client ID with your, okay. We're gonna save this as Twitch and Toot v3. But then we're also gonna go into terminal. And we're gonna get twitchandtoot.py dumped out. Alright, sudo. What is it? pip3. God damn it. Gotta frickin' restart that. Okay, okay, I saw that. Come on, do your thing. Are you really kidding me? Alright, you're being a pain in my ass. ChatGPT. I wonder, is it just because I'm in... Yes, I am a human. Did it not like how much data I fed it? What the hell? Oh, my Raspberry Pi is not responding. That's fun. I know why. It's because I, was an idiot and I switched connections. So, gotta restart that so I get a nice connection, because I'm a dumbass. I actually didn't restart that, did I? Well, now's the time to check. I double tabbed. Damn it. So now it's going to load that. Hey, it's starting at boot. So that's one thing accomplished. Ah, didn't mean to do that. It's got to check. Okay, so if it restarts... Okay, that's good to know. I'm going to have to fix that later. Come on. Okay. Okay, so this would be Twitch and Toot. Okay, cool. So let's see, Python 3, Twitch and Toot. There's no error. So, nope. Okay. I'm gonna have to do some tinkering, because there's no error there. Okay. No post on Mastodon. Okay. At the end of post to Mastodon function. You can also add some logging around the API call to see what is specifically happening. How can I use the logging module? Okay. So it is possibly running fine, but then can you incorporate the logging module into the following code? All right, let's see if this will get the logging working. What Linux is that? This is Pop OS. I may need to get some help with this on a GitHub. Okay, come on. Okay, this code will log information messages such as the main loop each time an error message such as it fails to file. Live notifications. Okay, that's perfect. That should All right, we need to put that in. So let's get the client ID there. Wait a minute. There were some spaces I noticed. I wonder if that could have done it. Line 61. Okay. Yeah, there's a space afterwards. And it's on the rumpa-pum-pum. Okay. Bang, bang. Dang, thang. Okay, so no, that didn't work. That's annoying. Hey, what's up, Govy Cat? Bang, bang. Thang, thang. Bang, bang. Thang, thang. Alright, just putting my API keys in. Okay, logging. Okay, so now let's get switching to logging pi. Clack, clack. That clack. Back, clack. Okay, so it's not doing anything. I may need to get some help troubleshooting that. So let's... All right, let's at least save these changes here. And then let's get... All right, where are the instructions that I had? Okay, we've got that there. A lot of these old school songs you definitely couldn't play today. So I'm going to definitely be posting this in the Discord. I'm gonna actually just post that into my Mastodon. The Raspberry Pi script to post toots on Mastodon when I am live on Twitch. Tried using ChatGPT, but my Python is limited. Could be useful for the Twitter migration. All right. Cool. So we'll at least get that out there. What was the other thing that I possibly could look at in my to-do list of what I wanted to eventually build? Oh, yeah. Why don't we get TikTok API documentation? Oh, yeah, I forgot. It doesn't like certain servers in this. So where are we? US. Streaming optimized seems to have the least amount of issues. Of course, I'm hopping between 3 or 4 different VPN services. Alright, let's see. Green screen kit, embed kit videos. Okay, the research API, TikTok API, v2, that's what we need. Alright, let's get back to ChatGPT. Damn it. I am human. Or are we dancers? Too many requests in 1 hour. Try again later. Cock blocked by ChatGPT. Yeah, I need to pay for this. I'm gonna use a little bit of bathroom break, and then we're gonna end the night on a little bit of Doom 3. So I will be right back in a little bit. Let me see, where's my BRB? All right, we are back. We ran into our ChatGPT limits, so we were kind of limited. We need to get the proper mood. AC/DC. Come on. I see you, little bastard. There should be some help back there, so I can max out. Or did I already grab that? I did it. Dickhead destroyed the bridge.
Access granted.
Was aching. We were banking with you. Fuck you. Nice. All right. Fuck. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. I heard foot soldiers. Yup. I just got a whole lot of fuck you right now. Ooh, this is a good song. This is Bon Jovi. Good to yourself. Lick it up. Lick it up. These songs mean something so much different now that we're older. And I can understand what it means. Oh. Lick it up. Wait, that's Kiss. What the fuck? Bon Jovi? I was like, what the fuck? No. I'm Bon Jovi. The fuck? Then you get my hearing checked. Get over here, little cunt nugget. There you go.
Decontamination chamber sequence initiated.
I knew you were coming, Big Daddy. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah.
Decontamination process started.
Clean me, 'cause I'm a dirty boy.
Decontamination complete. Have a nice day.
Three 386 and 387. Let's get them. 836 and 836. Okay, cool. All right. Pretty much maxing out ammo. That's never a good thing, because that means there's boss fights coming. Please take me home. Take me down to the paradise city where the grass is green and the girls are pretty. Oh, won't you please take me home? God damn it, I knew there would be something that appears right there. There always is. Gets ammo, uses ammo. Oh, lovely. That's a bit of a dead end there. Okay, so I obviously need to do something else. Oh, there we go.
Please select teleport destination.
Oh, okay, cool.
Pad 1 selected.
Okay.
Pad 2 selected.
Ever used obsidian.md? No, I don't recall myself ever using that. Oh, motherfucking cunt nuggets. And stay down, bitch.
Decontamination process started. Decontamination complete. Have a nice day.
My patience with you is wearing thin.
Same here, buddy. Come on. Gotta do better than that, bitch. Alright. Won't you please take me home? Take me down to the paradise city where the grass is green and the girls are pretty.
Look around you, Marine. Everyone is dead, and soon you will join them.
I'll take you out with me, too. You have to do better than that. Okay, so that station right there.
Access granted.
Nice. Didn't see you, you motherfucker. Alright, I'm pretty much maxed out there, so gotta use that ammo. Yeah, I knew there were some armor shards around here. Now we're getting basically where Satan's just growing his own base. Of course you would. Whoa. Whoa, yeah. Living it into Vita. Living it up and it's at the ground. Loving an elevator. God damn it. Okay, where'd you just spawn from? There you are. Okay, so which way do I need to go? No goodies there. No goodies there. I hear a revenant. Alright. Because they tend to blast my ass away. Yup, I knew I did. Okay. Interesting.
Please select teleport destination. Pad 3 selected.
Alright, let's get into storage then. But before I do, and I possibly screw myself. Okay, cool. Ah, and an ammo belt. Nice. Just a little power flicker. Although you can eat shit and die. Getting fucked 6 ways to Sunday here. Oh, perfect time for We Are the Champions to come on. They got blood on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place. We will rock you. We will rock you. Alright, they blew that bridge out, so we gotta go a different way, I guess. Let's at least save. Because where there's one Revenant, there's usually one coming up right up my ass to fuck me. Alright, I guess we just gotta stop being a little... and go. Okay, so that didn't work. So it does want me to drop down. That's gonna be fun. Oh, that's not what I wanted. No, nothing here? Alright, okay, cool.
Decontamination chamber sequence initiated.
Oh, you son of a bitch. Get back here and fight me like a demon. Now eat shit and die, motherfucker. You say you're unlocked, and yet you're not.
Decontamination process start.
Every time I hear that voice, it reminds me of Austin Powers. Evacuation, come. 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 Evacuation, come.
Stop him!
Maintenance personnel needed
God damn, barely could make out your outline. Nice, we got them.
Pad 2 selected.
Let's get the goodies in the security station. Oh, I guess you don't need to decontaminate me anymore.
Pad 3. Pad select 4 selected. Pad 3 selected. Pad 2 select. Pad 3. Select.
All right, let's go to the pad 3. I don't know if I hit the storage yet. I did not. All right, cool. Oh, was I going the wrong way? No, I was not. I got turned around. This is one game that doesn't give you a map. That is annoying. Wait, didn't it? I gotta remember.
Decontamination chamber sequence initiated. Decontamination process started.
That's right, you had to put the decontamination chamber on.
Decontamination complete. Have a nice day. Pad 2 selected.
Oh, damn, it shot you all the way near the beginning again. Well, I guess. If you're that dedicated to getting everything.
Decontamination process started.
Alright, so let's get back.
Have a nice day.
So the one thing that you gotta be aware of is some enemies do respawn in this game. So even though you've cleared out areas, you still gotta be cautious. Alright, so let's get back to the teleporter room.
Pad 2 select.
Alright, let's get to the hallway. Okay, cool. So that... We're getting closer. There we go. Shot you all the way back to the beginning.
Pad 4 selected.
And... Oh, wait. I guess I was supposed to go down the elevator. Wait, no? Wait, what? I am very confused. Wait, what? I am very confused. Reach the main portal. But I reached the main portal. Did I not go to the right thing? Damn it. On today's episode of Chief is a Moron.
Decontamination chamber sequence initiated. Decontamination process started. Decontamination complete. Have a nice day. Pad 2.
Ooh, Black Betty.
Decontamination process started. Decontamination complete. Have a nice day.
Whoa, Black Betty, ram-a-lam, whoa, Black Betty, ram-a-lam, country had a child, ram-a-lam, something gone wild, ram-a-lam, whoa, round a mile, ram-a-lam, something gone wild, ram-a-lam, whoa, Black Betty, ram-a-lam, whoa, Black Betty, ram-a-lam. Okay, third time's a charm, I guess. Whoa, Black Betty, bam-a-lam, whoa, Black Betty, bam-a-lam, gonna goes high, bam-a-lam, anything gone blind, bam-a-lam, the other word, not a mile, bam-a-lam. All right, let's see. Third time's a charm, right? Oh, probably is, you know, the one that's labeled exit.
Making progress, Marine? Your journey is futile. You will die, and your soul will be mine.
Okay, cool. Alright, well, we finished that level up. Well, it's about 11 o'clock, guys. It's time for me to figure out who we are going to raid out to. So we got rate limited by ChatGPT before I could actually, you know, properly do what I wanted to do. So I at least have the GitHub up so that we can all, do that. Yeah, I'll, be back on tomorrow and, probably do Warframe some more, and then we'll be doing the, coding and all that stuff. But in the meantime, let's see what lovely person is streaming now that we can raid. Let's see. In my repertoire. Yeah, we'll raid my boy Fasudo. He's doing Call of Duty Warzone right now. Y'all like him if you don't know him already, and please give him a follow. He's my IRL buddy. Known him since college. Great dude. So let me get that raid going over there. So we're gonna raid him out, and then we're gonna end on here. Get that raid at least going. All right. But it's been great hacking with all y'all guys. We're gonna do it again soon sometime. And yeah. We'll have some more tinkering and everything. I just gotta figure out more with Python and everything, but I will see y'all later. Have a great one.